Hello, this is AI in Agriculture, one idea a day. And today I will tell you the story about buckwheat leaves. So if you don't know what is buckwheat, it's pseudo-grain. And in Eastern Europe, especially in Ukraine where I am from, we love buckwheat so much, and it's one of the nationally recognized food. And in all post-USSR countries, everyone knows what is buckwheat. So I honestly recommend you, sincerely recommend you to try it. It's very delicious. But let's go to buckwheat leaves. So just give me a second, I will share my screen. So the story has started when one of the researchers, he was doing the research of, he was applying some specific type of fertilizer for buckwheat plants, and then he was trying to understand how do fertilizers impact the growth and the yield. One of the criteria for assessment for the success of this experiment was the size, the area of leaf, and he was such a hard-working person, so he needed to measure more than 600 leaves, 676 leaves. And he contacted us directly and he asked, so he said that I know PTL Pro and it's so good and it's so helpful, and we are so pleased to read such messages. But he also asked that I need to measure more than 600 leaves. How can I do it more effectively? Because obviously to open each image, tap, then write message, write size, then again close, open the tab, write. So it's still a lot of time for 676 leaves. And then we suggest that maybe batch processing can help you. So what is batch processing? Batch processing is when you have the image of your leaf taken with PTL Pro calibrating plate, and you have many of these images, but you obviously you would like to simplify the task and get the numbers quicker. So you can share with us these images, and we will do all the calculations on our side in our R&D lab, and we will give you back the CSV file and the extraction. So this nice photo of all leaves which he has sent to us, we put them into this image, one image, and it's the proof what has been counted, so you can always refer on them, and yeah, you just can continue your work and do whatever you need to do with these numbers. But the only task is that there is some protocol, so you need clear image, calibrating plate, good light, and then just take photos. Just consider this idea as an opportunity for you, for your research work, and if it's helpful, let's just stay in touch. Thank you for your time. See you tomorrow.